My question is regarding Surah Al-Anam, ayah number 123, page number 5, and ayah number 65. So the second line is, we have made big people its criminals to plan it. So my question is regarding supporting different political ideologies. When we go out to vote, or we live in non-Muslim countries, everyone affiliates or chooses to affiliate with a school of thought. So what does Islam say? What my first question, what does Islam say about supporting political ideologies? Because you can't turn a blind eye towards them because they affect your livelihood in countries, the houses you live in, everything. And then my second question is, ayah number 65, when they say the punishment from above you or below your feet or clothe you into sect. So does the division of different political ideologies, that a form of punishment? Is that what that means? Or is here the sect just referred to like what you mentioned? Like,
You see all the sects there. The first question here is that what should you should give vote to a person, right?
right.
You can give, but don't affiliate to their ideology. You understand what I'm saying? Like for example, there is, I don't know, in America there are two groups, right? One
So
is
there's Republicans and then you have the
Republicans and
liberals. Liberals.
so if you join or
Democrats.
give a vote as a candidate of America or Canada, whatever, but you should not affiliate yourself. The concept they are prevailing, the concept they are talking about. You follow what I'm saying? You just vote, but you don't have to be a concept that involved into it. Once you get involved, you become a sect.
By involved, you mean like joining the party or
No,
like,
no, just you give the vote by
okay,
joining the party, but you don't go with their ideology whole life.
okay.
Yeah, this is what I mean. Because you live in a country, you either this man or this man, you give a vote. So, but in here it's a compulsion, you do vote. But what I'm saying is you should not affiliate your mind to those ideologies. That is the dangerous thing where you'll be pulled by the shaitan to a school of thought. That you should be careful. You can join and do, I mean, you can be friendly to Jews and Christians, anything. But a distinction should be remaining in between. Not that something will, where I will not be affected by them.
Okay. Thank you for that. And then
The second question was?
just the division of,
Yeah, divisions are political divisions. All divisions are there is basically derived from other than from the book. Any division.
and that's a form of punishment?
Of course, don't you think they're fighting? The Irish are fighting this guy, the French was fighting. If you go into tradition and history, you'll find people are always fighting. Always fighting because of something. And basically it is nothing but money. Behind is always money, but racism in language racism. Germany wanted to what for? Just to rule. And so we have to be very careful. What I meant is you can join anybody where you're living in this country. You can be a part of anything, but you cannot be an affiliation to their concepts. Their psyche changes. There you have to draw a line.
Thank you.
Yeah.